a wreath, and a snow globe. Okay? So we'll start on top with the wreath first. We're gonna start with a bow here. We'll do a small circle. Hold on to your clipboard. Okay, this is the bow. Okay, very small. And then follow along. Okay, we're gonna do the loop for the bow. Very good. Can you draw a little bit slower? There we go. Slowly. Very good. And then you're gonna draw the 2 ribbon on the bottom. Bless you. Okay, I'm gonna do the 2 ribbons on the bottom. And then we're gonna do the loop on the inside. Okay, you know how to do this, right? Do the loop. Okay, and then, oh, let's fix your loop. Your loop needs to be a little bit, needs to be a little bit bigger here. Okay, you see this? Follow the ribbon. Sure. Okay, much better. Okay, and now here's the fun part. We're gonna do the wreath, which is like a ziggy-zaggy circle. Okay, so watch this. So we're gonna do ziggy, zaggy, zaggy.
I'm gonna do like this.
And then you're gonna take a break so we can move your hand. Okay, then we're gonna do this. Ziggy, ziggy. This is very tricky. It'll take a few tries. Okay. Try. Oh, so that's.
I don't know how to do it. I can't.
Okay. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it this way. So you're gonna draw the inside one first. Here, draw a circle here. Very good. So now your ziggy thing is gonna be going along the circle. Okay? Try that. Okay, zig. From this zig here, you're gonna go back out more, okay? You're gonna make sure this is the same size. Okay, so zig. And then come back down here. And then, okay. You're gonna start from the top. You're gonna come down here and then you'll zig in and come back down. Come back down here. Go in a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, come back down here more. So if you have a difficulty drawing the outside first, you can draw the inside first and then draw the outline, okay? Okay, now we're gonna draw some decorations down there. We're gonna have some circles. There are little balls. And we will color them after we draw these circles. Can you draw one more circle there? Okay, now we're gonna color it. Now we're gonna draw a snow globe. A snow globe is gonna be very fun because when you decorate, after we draw the globe, you can decorate what's inside, okay? So let's draw a circle. Okay?
You want to use this for a circle?
Yeah, you can use this for a circle. So what you want to do is put this down.
Can you hold it?
You need to learn how to hold it, Charlotte. So put your hand on the cup. Okay.
Can't.
We're gonna draw a little base for the snow globe, okay? Can you pay attention? Look over here. So we're gonna draw a line here. Try, look. We're gonna draw a slightly curvy line, okay? Slightly curvy line. And then we're gonna connect it to the top. That's too curvy, okay? Okay, you see how mine is just a little bit curvy? You're not even looking. Look at my line. Draw one like mine. Okay. We need to have an angle here, okay? This is good. The line is good, but the angle here needs to be straight. You see this angle? Stop and goes up. Okay, connect that. All right. So on the inside, we're gonna draw a little line here, okay? Watch this. We're gonna have a little line here on the inside. That's the base of the snow globe. Okay. So inside the snow globe, we're gonna draw Disney castle, okay? So follow along. We're gonna do the left, we'll do from left to right, okay? We'll do the wall here on the left. Straight line, straight. And we're gonna have a shorter line here to go to the right a little bit. We'll go up. Okay, then we'll come out just a little bit. Okay, this is gonna go up. And then it's gonna be the edge of the roof, okay? Go left. And then this is gonna go up to like a triangle. And then you're gonna come down, look over here, come down. Now we're gonna draw. Okay, so this needs to come down. Watch this, watch this. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna go right. We're gonna go up. And we're gonna have another roof here. And then this is gonna go to the right a little bit. And then we'll go up a lot higher, okay? And then we're gonna draw another roof here. Then it's gonna go back to the left. Come down. This ledge here. And then this is gonna come down slower to here. Okay, and then go to the right. And then we'll do another tower here, okay? Okay, and then we're gonna have that little ledge with a triangle on top. Okay, and a little bit ledge on the there, and then come straight down. And then we're gonna have the base of the castle, okay? Look over here. And down here in the middle, we're gonna have a gate. So circle. We'll have some windows here. We're gonna draw some windows here. Look, just follow me, okay?
Daddy, I am going to draw windows and flags and things like that.
No, just do the. You see how I do the 3 windows? Okay, so do those windows first. Very good, excellent. We're gonna do the flag. Okay, so straight. There you go. Very good. Little triangle. Okay. Oh, you can leave it not colored in. We'll color it later. Okay. We'll use color pencil. We can color it. So we'll do the triangles. Very good, very good. So we got 4 flags. Okay. Good job. Okay, let's color it.